In this video, I'm going to show you 7 different ways that you can make money with QR codes. Now, the different ways that I mentioned in this video can bring you anywhere between $5 per day and hundreds of dollars per day. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn which one is right for you. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for a free unemployee handbook. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so if you're not familiar, QR codes are basically a series of lines in dark and white spots where people can hold up a QR code reader to their phone and get all sorts of information. You can get everything from menu items at local restaurants. You can get access to a special coupon. You can get access to a special mailing list. They're really designed for all types of different things for small businesses, individuals, and it's also a cool opportunity for you to make some money. So let's go ahead and get right into all of the different ways that you can make money. The first thing that I want to show you is I want to show you this keyword research tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs. Now, if we take a look at it, it's at ahrefs.com. You can get started for $7 for 7 days. Now, I just typed in QR codes, and right now there are 120,000 searches per month. There are over 52,000 keywords. And if you take a look at this, there's all sorts of things people are looking up. Now, what I went ahead and did before this video is I changed the keyword difficulty to 10 or less. So that should be relatively easy for a new blog or website to start getting some traction. Now, if we take a look at this, people are looking up QR codes for video games and different cartoons, just QR codes for everything. And this is an opportunity for you to make money. So let's go ahead and take a look at the first way that you can make money with QR codes. The first thing that you could do is you can actually go up to a website called Etsy. So I went over to Etsy and I just typed in QR code, and you can see people are looking for everything for QR codes for their stickers, for business cards, for all sorts of stuff. They put it on their wall. Small businesses will actually put QR codes on pieces of paper, as I mentioned, and hand them out for menus. But you can see people are charging anywhere between $2.50 and $45 for different types of QR codes, and they're being purchased again and again and again. Now, think about it. Your target audience can be anybody from a landscape company to a restaurant, big businesses, small businesses, and you can put them on just about anything. Look at this. This QR code is on a keychain. So basically what they're doing is they're actually engraving QR codes on keychains and then they're sending them out. That could be a really cool thing to do if you have some sort of engraver. But if you take a look at this, there's all sorts of opportunity. Now, if we scroll up here, I typed in QR code, you hit the space bar, and you can see keychain, sticker, sign business, RSVP, business card, sign wood, sign template. So if we go to QR code sign template and click on this, this is a digital product that you could actually create it once and send it out to your target audience or your customer, and you can charge anywhere between $4.24 and $45. But this is just one way that you can make money with QR codes. Another way that you can make money is simply showing people how to make them. Now, I'm over here on YouTube and we typed in how to make QR code, and look at this, how to make QR code for business card. If we just click on this, and you're going to see the top result here has 233,000 subscribers, 16,000 views. The one below it has 5,000 subscribers, but over 100,000 views. How cool is that? How to make QR code for your business card the easiest way, a step-by-step guide. It's a 4-minute video. They have less than 6,000 subscribers, but you can see here, if we just took this, if we just looked at this YouTube channel and we take a look at Social Blade. Social Blade is a website that we use to estimate how much a YouTube channel is making. We're going to see that this YouTube channel is making a decent amount of money. So we're just going to socialblade.com like this, and we're just going to paste in the YouTube channel, and you can see that they're making a decent amount of money from their YouTube channel. Now, $4,000 per month is a pretty good amount of money. That's about probably like $110, $120 per day, just by creating content to help people. Now, what you could do is you could actually make even more money with affiliate marketing. So you create this type of content, and then you could recommend, if you're doing this for businesses, you could recommend something like Vistaprint, which has an affiliate program. And so you could say, hey, look, if you want the best business cards in the business, go ahead and click the first link in the description. They click the first link, go to the Vistaprint, and they get a business cards or QR code readers, whatever it may be. You make even more money. So you can see that there's opportunity simply creating a YouTube channel. Another way that you can make money is by creating a website. Now take a look at this list of Hasbro Beyblade Burst app QR codes. Now, believe it or not, this this website, this web page is getting hundreds of thousands of views per month. Now it actually froze my computer, so that's not such a good thing. But if we're still up and running here, you're gonna see that they're making money in a few different ways. They're making money with ads that are showing up all over this web page. All right, so we're back up and running, and as you can see, this web page has traffic value of $20,000. There's 626,000 keywords that they rank for, as you can see here, and look at the traffic that they're getting, and it's all from QR codes. So it's really easy once you figure out what people want to know. But once again, if we take a look here, you can see they're making money by having ads all over this web page, and they're really just solving problems. They're explaining what the different QR codes do, what they are, and what they mean. But you can see here, this is yet another opportunity to potentially make some money. Now, if they wanted to make even more money, they could potentially provide affiliate links out to these different products. So if there were products like maybe action figures, they could provide affiliate links to Amazon or Hasbro if they had an affiliate program and make even more money. Another way that you can make money with QR codes is simply creating a YouTube channel about QR codes. Look at this. This is the same QR code question as this one right here. And you can see that there's hundreds of thousands of people that are interested in this, and you can make money in like 7 different ways with your YouTube channel. So you can make money with the YouTube Partner Program. That's when you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. You get paid when ads are ran in the beginning, middle, and end of your videos. You could get paid with Patreon. So you could start an exclusive membership club and talk about whatever it is that you're interested in, and people can charge you monthly simply with your YouTube channel. You could also engage in affiliate marketing. You could sell your own digital or physical products. There's just tons of opportunities. If you have 10,000 subscribers or more, you can have a merch shelf with your logo and some cool sayings. There's just a bunch of opportunities to make money, and it's just with QR codes. Now, if you don't know what you're doing, you could hire someone out to talk about these different QR codes. But you can see here, this top result from Total Burst, they have over 340,000 views from just 6 months ago. So it's obvious they have over 10,000 subscribers. There's just lots of opportunity. And another way that you can make money, obviously, is talking about showing people how to make money, but you could also make money by creating your own QR code generator website. Now, if you know anything about coding, if you want to hire this out, you can do it as well. But you can see there are tons of uses for these QR codes. Another thing that you can do is you can hop over to Fiverr, and this is going to be probably the least profitable way, but you can make $5 using this website by helping people and creating QR codes for them. But if you look at this, there are only 2,000 services available for QR codes, but look at this cool one up here in the top left. I will create professional QR design with your logo. So if you have a logo, you can turn it into a QR code. How cool is that? That actually will make you stand out a little bit more than just some of these plain Jane run-of-the-mill ones. But you can see here that there are tons of opportunity. So let's go ahead and recap real quick. One, you can hop over to Etsy and create custom QR codes for people. You can also create a YouTube channel showing people how to do these QR codes for your business, for your design, for flyers, whatever it may be. You can also, as you can see here with that channel, you can also create a blog or website based on these QR codes. You can pick individual QR codes and create content about those QR codes. You can create your own website. This is going to be really competitive. Might be difficult for you to get a full foothold in, but you can also use Fiverr in conjunction with this website in order to create custom QR codes and make as little as $5, but you'd actually make them custom made, and you could actually grow a really big business. And like I said, there are only 2,800 services available, and if you know the right website, you can see it can be done almost for free. Now that you know 7 different ways to make money with QR codes, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start an online business. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free handbook, or you'll be able to download it and learn step by step how to get started with your online business. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.